I have this wireless CarPlay screen sent by Befumly brand to review, and it did not disappoint. I'm actually pretty impressed with everything that came in here, and I'm going to show you everything that was inside. But you can do GPS navigation. It's touchscreen, mirror link, and it's a 7-inch screen. So here I have the screen connected already. I did not know this, but it actually comes with a camera, a backup camera, which is this one right here. So what you want to do is you want to go home, and you want to click this one right here, and you can actually see the camera. And it even has these guides right here. So when you're backing up into the parking spot, which is actually pretty cool. And once I opened it and I saw that camera, I was like, there is no way. This is actually pretty cool. And you can actually calibrate it to your car whenever you're backing up and align it. Um, but yeah, there's so many different things you can do on here. This is how it looks when it's on. You can do CarPlay. If you have Android, you can do that. Um, Audio output, Bluetooth, Superlink, AirPlay. You can do all these things right here. It has the power, the brightness, the camera. This is the volume. This actually has a speaker in it, so it has a volume, and you can also do the settings here. So the with the Bluetooth and all that, if you want to listen to music through your phone, you can actually connect this to your car. I believe there's 3 ways that you can do it, or 4 ways that you can do it. One is to listen through here. So this has a speaker as well, like I mentioned. You can also do it through the aux right here, which is a 3.5 jack, and you will connect it to your car. You can also connect this to the Bluetooth of your car. That way you can listen to music through there since it's already connected to here. And the last way you can do it is you can actually uh, transfer it through FM radio. So you can set your radio to 106.0, I believe, FM. And once you do that, of course, you have to set it up. But once you do that, you can actually stream or whatever you want to transfer the signal for the music to your car, which is actually pretty sick. Um, Again, this is the power button. So yeah, this is definitely pretty cool. Last thing I want to show you is you can actually set this up. You can adjust it to whatever height angle you want. You can set it up like if I wanted. Obviously, I'm not gonna put it here, but if you want it, back here, more back here, somewhere you can. You can also twist this part and have it upside down on the window, kind of like that. So it's pretty cool, honestly. I would definitely say check this out if you're looking to do a car play. If you have like an older year car, older model car, this is definitely something that I would actually look into with, especially since it comes with the camera.